this side Dietitian Vidhi, your dietitian and a health coach. In today's video, I will be discussing the do's and don'ts of stronger immunity this summer. It is so important to have a stronger immunity to protect our body from the various viruses and bacteria. Let's start with the do's first. The first do is get enough sleep. Sleep is normally ignored by everyone, but it is important to take good amount of sleep as sleep and the immunity are closely tied. Try to take 7 hours sleep daily. The good bracket of sleep is 7 to 9 hours. Do you know poor sleep and less sleep can weaken your immunity? So get enough sleep. The second do is include a lot of vegetables and fruits in your diet. As we all have studied in our childhood, the fruits and vegetables comes under the protective food category, hence they strengthen your immunity. The fruits and vegetables are rich in the antioxidants. Antioxidants neutralize the free radicals, hence reducing the inflammation in our body and strengthening the immunity. So try to include a plate of a salad and 1 or 2 servings of a fruit in a day. The third do is include good fats in your diet. You can include nuts, seeds and a good cooking oil in your diet. The good fats are anti-inflammatory and reduces the inflammation in your body. And for your information, chronic inflammation suppresses your immunity. So include good fats to have an anti-inflammatory effect, thus strengthening your immunity. The fourth do is include more of fermented foods and probiotics in your diet. Fermented foods and probiotics make your gut health good, and gut health and immunity are deeply interconnected. So a good gut health will make your immunity stronger. Let's start with the don'ts now. The first don't is do not include a lot of sugar in your diet. Including a lot of sugar can suppress your immunity. Many researchers have proved that sugar leads to obesity and many lifestyle disorders that suppresses the immunity. You can replace the sugar with a healthier option like jaggery powder. The second don't is don't be sedentary. A moderate exercise can reduce the inflammation in your body and thus increasing the turnover of immune cells. So be active, try to do minimum 30-minute activity daily. You can choose your activity. It can be walking, jogging, or a Zumba or a dance workout, but be active and include activity in your daily life. The third don't is don't stress a lot. We all have stress in our life, but it's important to de-stress and unwind ourselves. Many researchers have proved the stress suppresses your immunity by increasing the inflammation in your body and imbalancing the immune cell function. So unwind yourself by the end of the day and do something in your life which releases more of happy hormones and suppresses the stress hormone. So take care and unwind. The fourth don't is do not smoke and avoid tobacco products. The smoking and consuming the tobacco products can suppress your immunity and leads to the weaker immunity. The weaker immunity won't be able to fight with the various infections caused by the bacteria and the viruses. So quit smoking now and avoid tobacco products. Bye for now and take care. Take care of the do's and don'ts and strengthen your immunity this summer. Bye.